Listen, when the curl bounce like that, don't argue with me. Do not start arguing. Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone. 3 seconds to let me see your phone and I'ma air this smooth out.
I'm so hard, got the fast suspicious. New cop pocket full, that like, who is this nigga? Since a young nigga, streets influence me, nigga. Ain't none of these rap niggas fooling me, nigga.
What's up, y'all? It's D-Side. We back at it again with the back at it again. As you all can see, I'm looking good. I got this hair from Asteria Hair. Shout out to Asteria Hair for sponsoring this video. Well, Leah Face say we getting money, y'all. But yes, this hair is amazing, and today I'm gonna show you all how to achieve these nice, lovely curls. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to use a diamond brush and just comb through it, brush through it, whatever. Make sure you ain't got no tangle bangles all up through there. Okay, and then you're going to want to use some nice serum. I'm hiding my serum because this ain't sponsored. If you want to sponsor me, hit me up. Okay, now I was only joking. Like, y'all know I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. This is the serum that I use. This is the Fantasia Frizz Buster Serum. But no, seriously, if y'all do want to sponsor me, hit me up. Oh, and if you like my nails, these are actually press-on nails. I got these in Walmart before we took our trip to Atlanta, so I will do a video on these. And I also have press-ons on my toes. Oh, yes! Okay, yeah, if y'all want to see a video, let me know, and I will show y'all these. But my feet ugly and they ash. I ain't put no lotion on today. Oh my god. Bye-bye. And then we're going to take our Layla Ali 2-in-1 styling curler, whatever this is. It's like a flat iron and a curler. We're just going to curl it up away from our face.
She blowing me. I soup with it.
Also, when curling your wigs, whatever, like when you first touch it, it's going to be cool. Then when you touch it again, it's going to be a little damp to the touch. Do not remove it when it's still wet, because if you do and you don't put a roller in it, the curl is going to flop. You're not going to be happy. But you're gonna wait until it get past the damp stage till when you touch it, it's like a dry heat. As soon as you touch it, just hot. It's like that, okay? And then if you went like 10 seconds past that, oh, you bomb. Them curls lasting all night. You got them curls for the club. You got the curls for pool party, for a wedding, date night, anything. Them curls gonna stay, okay? And basically, we're just literally gonna repeat this whole step throughout the entire thing. I probably have to leave y'all because I don't want to just be up here through the whole video like this. Like, there's nothing else for me to talk about. You're literally just going to section off the hair and roll it. Oh, and I hate that I did so many sections. When your wig is already on, you could just do like 4 curls in the back. Like literally with the hair down, section off 1, 2, 3, 4, curl that, and then up in the front, do 3. Do this, the bottom, 1, 2, and then a small piece like this is the 3rd one. That's all you had to do. I was being difficult on all these small sections, but it don't matter. I'll come back with another video showing you how to do nice loose curls, okay? So peace. I have nothing else to say. Like, just watch me do my hair. Let's change this. This is not a tutorial. This is a watch me do my hair. I was so hot by recording this. Like, I was just honestly ready to get done, which is why I rushed this curl and it turned out like trash. So I was like, you know what? Go back and fix this, because don't have the hair looking trash up in the video, because people gonna think that the hair is gonna be trash when they receive it. So however your hair look up in the video, that's how people gonna think the hair is. So I was like, bro, go back and do it. Give these folk a nice review. Don't be stupid because you hot. Right, y'all, I'm back. My phone went dead, so I had to go charge. And all the thing, I know y'all like, whoa, what happened? Basically, I just redid what I did with this, and then I put tissue in it, and then obviously I put Flexerize in this to make the curl tighter, because I don't know, I just want a tight curl. So that's what we did, but we're gonna pick up where we left off here, honey. And then I'm gonna do this whole side so y'all to see. So y'all won't be like, ooh, that's why I don't watch videos. They do one thing for no videos, but then they go off of camera and come back and do something else. No, I'm gonna show y'all. I don't have my glasses on, so if I'm like, I'm just looking stupid throughout this video, girl, I don't know. I can't see. I ain't got on my glasses. The only reason I don't have my glasses on is because I don't want the glare. And it's just, you know. And if any of y'all are wondering how to really roll your hair with tissue, I do have a video on that. Of course, I'm going to mention it up in this video too, because ain't nobody got time to be searching through videos. I could be like, link down below, but I want all my videos to be detailed from now on. So I guess I'll show y'all how to do it, but you still need to go watch my other video. It was one random string got caught up in this. That's why I like these, but you gotta be careful at the end. Bastard. So the first way I'm gonna show you this is 2 like sheets of toilet tissue. We're gonna fold it in half. This is the first way, the easiest way, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna fold it in half like this, and then we're gonna fold it again, which you don't have to. You can just ball it up, but to be technical for YouTube, I'm gonna fold it twice, hot dog style. That's how we used to say it up in school. Then we're gonna come all the way down this curl, roll, roll. And we're literally gonna treat this like a flexi rod. Then we're gonna roll this upwards, keeping a little tension on it. We don't want it loose, okay? We want the curl to be nice and tight. So we're gonna keep a little tension on it when we roll it upwards. Alrighty, and then we're gonna come all the way to the top. It's like tying a shoe, like loop-de-loop and pull. That's all we're doing. We did my loop-de-loop. And then pull. Don't go in and pull it like, cause girl, this tissue is gonna pop, especially if you got that little cheap tissue. I think this Cottonelle. I normally get Charmin Ultra Soft, and I'm going to get some more Charmin Ultra Soft today, actually, cause I don't know, I'm just hooked up on that brand, so you know. All right, then we're just, I'm following the track up into the frontal, so my hair can be curled up in layers. So we're gonna follow that track forward up into the frontal. I don't know why I done switched to me talking, but we're doing what we do, so this is what we're gonna do. Gonna take our stuff, not a lot, boop, just a dollop of Daisy, and then we're gonna we're not really rubbing it up in our hand, we're just trying to distribute it evenly across our palms so that when we come down like this, each strand will be nicely coated. All right, and then girl, I'm talking like a, I don't know. Then we're gonna comb it through, brush it through, whatever you want to do. I'm trying to see if I want to curl towards my face or away. I want to curl towards my face because up on this side I curled backwards, which means if I turn my head around and all my hair is up in the back, this hair would be going this way, but the hair right here would be going that way. You know what I'm saying? So I want both of them to be like that. So when I turn back around, see what I'm saying? This is going away from my face and this is coming towards my face. Or as Joel Osteen would say, towards. So we're going to curl. Look at our face. We're going to curl. We are going to curl towards our face. And also, if your wig is a little thin, to make it look thicker, you want to curl your hair towards your face. And then this one little section right here, curl it away from your face. Basically, when you curl all your hair backwards, it's hiding the hair. But when you curl forward, it's bringing all that hair forward. And I'm seeing all of the hair, all of the strands of hair are being shown instead of all the curls going back that way, hiding. And I'm gonna insert a clip showing y'all what I mean. I only curled this one away from my face and these are coming towards my face because if I would have curled these, all of them away from my face, let me step back, it would have looked thin. The part is on this side, right? So really most of the hair in the frontal is over here. So it's like this side has less hair. So curling away from my face hides all the hair. So curling it towards my face lets you see all the hair that I have, which makes it appear thicker. Even though it's thick, it's a play with your eyes, okay? So yeah, hope that makes sense to y'all. That's just a little trick I do. Go watch that video, girl, if you really want to see how I do. And I glue my frontal down up in that video also, so. And now with the curl, when you first touch this, it's going to be just regular because you just put it on the heat. And then when you continue to touch it, as the hair heats up, it's going to be like moisture. You get what I'm saying? The hair is going to be sweaty. When you take your fingers off, you're going to feel a little moisture. That's why I'm doing like this, because I'm feeling the moisture. And then how you know that the hair is really ready, when you touch it, it feels like you're touching this barrel. It's going to be hot. Not just, I'm scaring y'all. I'm sorry, because y'all going to be like, girl, I'm not going to. No, when you touch it, it's going to be a dry heat. There isn't going to be any moisture. Nothing is wet. Nothing is perspiring. I think nothing is going to be wet. It's just going to be a nice dry heat, okay? So, yeah, that's why I'm feeling it. And when you feel the dry heat, you could wait like 15 more seconds, girl. Then your curl going to be super tight when you do it like that. I don't know why I did this. That's so corny. Put your hand down. All right, and then this is ready, so we're just gonna take her off. And I like to do the little I don't like to just pull down because I don't know, that's just stupid to me. And as y'all see, we have a nice curl. I guess it's a nice curl. I can't really see because I was staring at the light, so I can't really see. Now this is the second way on how you can roll your hair with tissue. This is basically 4 sheets, 4 strips, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna fold this once, twice, come down like this. All right, Then we're going to take this, the middle, then you're going to do it like this, right? See how these two ends are meeting up. Now what you want to do, put the hair in the middle of the strip, and you want to roll, roll, roll. All right, now you want to treat this the same way you would a flexi rod. We're just gonna roll it up, keep a little tension. We don't just want to be like this rolling. No, it ain't gonna be a tight curl at all. Keep this like that. I'm not pulling on it, but I'm keeping just a little tension on it. I'm gonna roll all the way up because I want my curl to be tight. Really, I don't have to go all the way up, but I'm going up enough. Now, these are the two loose ends, and this is the little loop. Take your two fingers. Don't just go like, like, and just bust the thing. Like, break it wide open. You just want to take these two fingers, and these are the two tails. Boom. See this? I'm grabbing it, and I'm literally just pulling it through like that, and then I'm going to gently, like a tie, you know what I'm saying? Gently tug on it like that. And that's it. And back to the voiceover, because y'all got me messed up. You think I'm finna do all the editing? I ain't finna edit all this. Girl, you finna get this voice. Oh, you finna get this music. I feel the heat on my head. What if this melt my glue? Oh, I'm using Ghost Bond Platinum. I got this from the beauty supply store when I was in Atlanta, and I love it. I'm gonna do a video on it. I always say it's specially formulated for oily scalps, high humidity, and heavy perspiration. I said heavy perspiration. Girl, I'm perspirating. What the world, you country bimbo? Cut this out. Look at that. Oh, and I argue. Who you talking to? Okay, but you ain't gonna do nothing. I'm talking about this is argue material. Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone. We're Lincoln. Okay, open door. Lincoln is so bossy. He just like, boom, open door. This is the one I was trying to show y'all.
Let's get the bike!
In the mirror. Wow. Okay. So what am I supposed to do? Okay. Should I just finger comb it? My glass is broken, so if this turn out ugly, guess who don't care? Okay, y'all, so this is a look, I guess. This is a look you can get, and then this is a look you can get. And I don't know, I gotta take my thumbnails, so I'm gonna just do this look on my right. Alright, y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs. The curl didn't turn out how I wanted to, probably because I actually put rollers in it. I really wish that I had time to like wait and let these curls literally just fall so they would actually look nice, because right now they're super tight. Alright, y'all, and I don't know what to say. That's the end of this video. Thank you to Asteria Hair for sending me this lovely hair and just making me look good. The summertime coming up. The summertime coming up. It's that season. This that active weather. Hey, girl, ready. This that scurvy. Hey, big head. What's up, stranger? What's this that pool party? I'm just here. I ain't come to swim. Come to swim. Don't put me in the pool. You know. Don't throw me in the pool. Move. Don't throw me in the pool. I don't want to get wet.
Cable, now I get bagel. I come from the bottom, so tell me what you hating for. I'm a young player, folks serve the papers. Now I ride coops, plenty horses like a stable. This right here my come up.